was actually her up against Howard straight up.
And on the other, guarded by Tanisha Wright. That's one of the advantages that Cheryl Reeves said to having Wright play the one.
It's a picture-perfect form for Elena Deladon from the line, a 92% shooter from there.
Shot clock is at 13. Bird thinks about the three, then gets a high screen from Howard, who rolls. Beautiful basket.
#1 score in the WNBA this season. Better than 22 points per game. Pass by Bird was behind Howard, but it
Number 2 in the league in field goal percentage, just under 61%. You could see why.